Hello guys, today we're gonna show you how to replace the back case of an iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is, of course, was assembled, was for another phone for this, but we finally have the same color. For this we start part by part. Obviously the open screen we show you so many times that you don't need. Now we're gonna start with the back camera. Obviously we're gonna remove it. We remove it even the shield for this. Let's go. Now we remove it to the top earpiece. After we did that, we remove it to the Face ID. Now we remove it to the motherboard. It's very fast, guys, because if you know, it takes ages for do that, but you can understand. At this time we place the speaker on the top for don't lose anything. For this, now we're gonna replace the Face ID, and we're gonna put the motherboard in. As soon as we put the motherboard in, yeah, see, we found the problem. We made a mistake, like every human can do. For this we need to apply first the motherboard, after the speaker. You see, I was looking for the problem, because this you don't do daily and the mistake is always behind your back, but I found it. After did that, you see, it's not always happiness. You open, I close, you see, and now everything's settled. Now I start to rescrew everything and start to see if everything works, because the problem was the back case was not holding. I removed the battery, as always a little bit of isopropylic alcohol underneath, and on the top we apply the screen, the phone start, everything works. The phone was charging, as you can see. The first things I tried, because that was the issue, and we did a great job. As always, follow us, please, like and share. Let's go.